Hi, Scott doing a MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a recent trade-in 2021 Sea Ray SDX 250. All right, so 250 SDX, wraparound seating here in the cockpit. Both the backrest and the two side seats, both are on a hinge. So if you're at anchor, people swimming around the back of the boat, you can flip the seat like this. That way you can watch all the action from the back, and then when the boat gets underway, flip that seat that way everyone faces forward and inside the boat. Both backrests here are also here and here, also do the same thing. So again, at anchor, flip the seats like this, expands the cockpit, much more seating area. All right, so this one was ordered with the water sports tower. It does have the upgraded audio system with subwoofer, tower cans, and Fusion audio throughout. Digital throttle makes shifting in and out of gear super smooth. Also, 9-inch Simrad screen for chart plotter, downscan sonar, fish finder, and all of your gauges for mercury will run through there as well. Nice storage space, also converts to a bed down below. That forward cushion will also flip up. There is a pump out head on board, so this boat for a 25 does have a bathroom. Again, Fusion audio. Boat is rated for 14 people, so plenty of seating. And then kind of unique on this model is the side walk-through coming up that allows you to sit 3 people up here facing backwards or up to 3 people up here facing forward. So lots of room up here in the bow, speakers up here, extra cup holders up here, as well as a pair of USB ports to keep all your electronics charged. So really nice boat, just took it in on trade, probably not gonna last long. It is that time of season. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you soon.